Hey everybody. So yeah, I'm still alive. I've been on Accutane, took care of my face, caused a bit of depression, so that's why you haven't seen me recently. But I'm back, just in time for all of us to get stuck working from home. So I realized that although this chair has been awesome, it's an old executive chair that we ripped the arms off and everything years ago, but it's not exactly good for my posture. So I may have done a thing.
I'm happy because I sold a fish. Now,
I've ordered a few of these. These chairs must be pretty awesome.
Oh, they are. Thank you so much, man. Have a good night. Like I said, I might have done a thing. What? You thought I'd be wearing real people clothes? I'm stuck at home. Hell no. Picture instructions. Perfect. There's a bit that's not in English though. That ought to be fun. Ah, new chair, so nice. I'm gonna take a nap now. Oh, that's so much better for my back. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep on doing videos for now, at least while I'm working 40 hours a week from home, because I've got like I've got a ton of footage that I haven't put together. You know, it's the isotronin ends up giving you no plot. So I've got footage up the wazoo and no plot. I'm gonna see what I can do with all those videos, see if I can't get them out and everything, especially while everybody's stuck at home. So we'll see what we can do, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and leave me a like down below. If you want to see my videos as they come out, go ahead and click that subscribe button over here somewhere. I guess we'll put it back over there. But yeah, that's all for now. So I'll see all you guys and gals on the flip side.